What is going on? My name is Ario the Juice from Juicy Tech YouTube channel. Definitely make sure you are a part of the subscriber list. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification, comment, like, and share, of course. One announcement is I want to give a quick shout out and special thank you to our supporters at Course Careers, which is an online training program helping people land jobs in tech, earning between $50,000 to 6 figures plus, which is very possible in today's world. If interested, definitely check out more information in the box below of this video about Course Careers, and you're all set. So let's talk. Of course, you read the title. I'm going to speak about my current day-to-day as a IT help desk analyst, right, or technician specialist, same thing. Currently, the project that my team and I were assigned today was to basically handle all the computer systems to see if they're functional or not. So basically, we're making sure they're fast, checking the CPU, checking to see if if they're able to handle more applications for us to download, just to see if it's something that's not going to slow down the user when we provide them with that computer system once we check it, test it and all that good stuff. So that's a current project. There's over 100 desktops that needs to be checked, making sure each one is functional. Again, checking the CPU power, making sure that's it's not slow, make sure it's not hitting 100%, which is horrible. Of course, checking the memory, RAM, all that fun stuff. Most likely, just make sure it's not an old unit. So we're not really trying to use any computer systems that have a VGA port or a display port. We're looking to eliminate any computer systems that uses those ports. VGA is a very old technology, still works, but we're mainly HDMI and beyond. So that's one of the current projects right now. We're also making sure that it's not, that computer system is not a dual core processor, but it needs to be at least a quad. So that's what we're looking for right now. So a lot of different things we need to make sure each unit features. Again, make sure it's a quad. There's no VGA or display ports available, but only HDMI. All of the technology and things that we're using, they don't really support VGA or display ports anymore. So we have to just kind of do away with that old technology. So that's the current project right now. That's just one thing, right? So again, there's over 100 desktops right now that needs to be checked. And before we submit the final amount that are functional, then we'll go ahead and get that information to management, and they're able to place an order on new computers that are going to replace the old computers that we no longer need. At some point, we're going to hire a third party to pretty much dispose the old desktops. So I'm sure we're going to make sure we destroy the hard drives. I'm not sure how they plan on doing that, erasing them, or I'm not sure, but that's going to be a next project. That's not what's going on today, but as we go along, once we find out what old desktops are no longer needed, we'll go ahead and call that third party. I'm not sure what company. We'll call them up to come and come on site to start basically deleting files or whatnot on the hard drive. So again, that's one project right now that was assigned to my team and I. So while we're doing that, we're also checking the ticket system. So we're using Zendesk to manage tickets. So as we're working on that project to basically see what desktops that are staying or not, we're also working on tickets. So throughout the day, so far the tickets I've been dealing with were agents not able to access the computer system or their Outlook account. A lot of time, maybe they forgot their passwords, so that has to be reset. Some people were late to the party, meaning we did convert from Gmail or G Suite or Google Workspace, hope that's the proper name, we did away with that, and now we're working with Outlook, Microsoft, finally, because that's what I much prefer using. I'm used to it. Using Teams, Outlook, 365, Azure, of course. So that's a lifesaver, but just a miracle, basically, because I'm not sure. This is the first company I've worked with that uses Google Workspace as their primary email accounts, which is crazy. Everyone's different, but yeah, it's the first company I've ever worked with that uses that. So I'm glad they did away with that, and now it feels more professional, basically, using 365. Super excited about that. So yeah, some users were not able to access their Outlook because we made that transition last week, and since that person was out of office, they needed to download the Microsoft Authenticator application to access their Microsoft account, or even access the computer in general. So once you log into your Microsoft, Microsoft sends you a code, like a 2-digit code into to your smartphone. Excuse me. You type that number in that's on the computer screen to give you access to your account. So super easy. Some people are not able. Let me just say this nicely. A lot of people where I work, or I'll say the sales agents, or just a lot of people in general, are not the most tech savvy people. So they don't really know what a authenticator is, especially Microsoft Authenticator, which is called the MFA. Some people don't really know how to use it, never heard of it. They're not sure which one to download. Once they go on their Play Store and on their phone, they don't really know which app to download, or nor even how to use it. Super easy. You can just once you try to log into your Microsoft, there's a prompt and there's a QR code to scan the QR code to give you access to the account. It also helps you download the application on your smartphone. Very easy. It gives you a step-by-step, super easy. But some people, again, not the most tech savvy, so that's really my job to assist, to kind of walk them through it, hold their hand to show them how easy it is to access the account. And once they get a hang of it, they're fine. They don't need me anymore, obviously. But that's our new way of signing into our primary email account, which is Outlook, which is so much better. So that's one ticket issue I've been dealing with all day. That, and there's more. We have a training class for salespeople. I won't give you too much information, but there's a special way for them to log into that computer system. Again, I won't give you too much detail, but we have to set that up for them so they're able to access the workstation to start working and start training, basically. So we've had multiple agents that were not able to access the computer, so we had to basically log in as admins, go in there and set up the account, all that fun stuff, and give them access to it. So that's another very common issue for today. That, and there's more. Some people have which is the typical audio issues. Their headsets are not, they're not picking up any audio. There's no signal, so stuff like that to kind of work work on. But mainly, again, the project right now for this week, maybe for today or tomorrow if we get it done, but I'll say for this week, is to knock out those units that needs to be tested to see if we're keeping them or not. But again, we're also going by the type of port that unit has. Again, if it's a VGA port featured on it or a display port, it's automatic. No, we don't want it. HDMI up for as of right now. So exciting stuff. Not much information besides that. I'm just kind of giving you my day-to-day as an IT help desk right now, which is what's my current project and what's my current task given to me. But mainly my job is to monitor the ticket system, making sure I respond to anyone that has put in a ticket for whatever issue they're dealing with. So that's really what my job consists of throughout the day. But at the same time, there's other projects that I were assigned by my higher up that has to get done, basically. So there you go. Not a quick video. well, a quick video, excuse me. Just giving you some heads up what's going on as a IT help desk specialist. Any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm on LinkedIn. Feel free to connect with me there. I'll leave all the information down below for your convenience, and you're all set. Again, more information about Course Careers. If you're looking to join the tech space, working in IT or software engineering, any of those things, there's more job titles that Course Careers helps you gain the experience. Not experience, excuse me. Get training to better understand what you're getting yourself involved in the tech space. Hope that made sense. If it didn't, I'm sorry. Much love. I'm out here. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.